Hello students, welcome to Maths Time. So today in the 9th class we are starting a new chapter, that is areas of parallelograms and triangles here. As the topic suggests that this topic is about the areas of parallelograms and triangles here. So first of all, we must know what is parallelogram and what is triangle here. Suppose this is a ABCD is a parallelogram and PQR is a triangle. So what are the properties of parallelogram and triangle? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal here. Here also AD is and BC are parallel and equal, and AB and CD are parallel and equal here. So what is the area of parallelogram here? The area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So what is base here? Base is AB. And height means what? Height is the perpendicular height from the base here. If we draw a line perpendicular to the opposite side between the parallel lines. Here these are two parallel lines. So this is H here. So AB into that is height. So this is the parallelogram area. And coming to the triangle area of triangle, the formula is half base into height. Half base into height. That is half base is QR and height is here also. This is the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to the base here. This PS. So this is the area of triangle and this is the area of parallelogram here. Then we will come to the some concepts here, some theorems are here. Based on this we will solve the problems. So first one is figures based on same base and between the same parallels. So what is the meaning of theirs? Based on same base and between the same parallels. Means let us suppose we will draw the two lines here, that is P and Q. Here this P is parallel to Q here, and again they say that figures based on same base and between same parallels. Suppose if we draw a triangle here, this is ABC. Here ABC is a triangle between the two parallels P and Q here, and again figures. Suppose you draw another figure, that is, consider this as AB is same base and AB, C, D, E. Here also P and Q are parallel lines. Here A, B, E, D. A, B, E, D is a parallelogram here, and ABC is the triangle here. So such type of that figures based on such figures are said to be figures based on same base and between the same parallels here. So this is the first concept. And second one is parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So what they say that the theorem, it is a theorem, the textbook means same base and between the same parallel. So here I am drawing here two parallel lines, that is P and Q. And parallelograms on same base means this is the base. We will draw here two parallelograms. Suppose like this. What one? This is A, B, C, D. So this is parallelogram between two parallel lines P and Q here, and these are the opposite sides. Then again they said parallelograms, two parallelograms are here. Then again we will draw here another parallelogram, that is CD. Suppose EF. See here A, B, C, D is one parallelogram and EF, CD is another parallelogram here. These two both parallelograms are standing on the same base, CD and with the same height. This is the perpendicular height. That is, the line drawn between the two parallel lines becomes height here, which is perpendicular. Means this should be 90 degree. Then this is said as height. Suppose this is E, L or EM, whatever you take here. So this is the height here. So how can we prove that? What the theorem states that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram, another parallel EQCB or ECD, CDEQ, whatever you take, EFCD, EFCD. So what is the area of parallelogram here? The formula is base into height. Here also base into height. So what is the base for this ABCD parallelogram? CD. And here also for EFCD parallelogram, base is CD here. Now coming to H, height, that is perpendicular height. This is what is perpendicular? EL. Suppose EL or H, this is H is same for both the parallelogram, that is ABCD. This is height is same, and for this CD EQ per AF parallelogram, height is same, that is CD into H into CD into H. So what is? These are same here. That is area of this parallelogram is equal to EFCD parallelogram. So next coming to third one is, if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then prove that the area of triangle is equal to the half of the parallelogram here. See here also there are two parallel lines, that is P and Q here. And there are two figures between the two parallels, which are, one is triangle and another is parallelogram. Suppose we will draw a parallelogram here, this one, and another one is triangle. That is, we will draw a triangle here, that is, this is the triangle, that is A, B, C, D. ABCD is a parallelogram and ABD is a triangle. So these two figures, one parallelogram and triangle, are on the same base. Which is the base here? AB, and between that same parallels, between these are between the same parallels, that is P and Q, and height is H here. So how it will be? What is the theorem? That if a triangle, area of triangle ABD is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. So for ABCD, the area of triangle is half base into height, and area of parallelogram is base into height here. That is half, base is AB here for, and height is H, and B into H. B is what here for this area of parallelogram AB, and height is same here. So before proving that, we will see that, consider the parallelogram ABCD here. Now when we draw a diagonal, then this parallelogram is made up of two triangles, first triangle and second triangle here. If we prove that these two triangles are congruent, these will be congruent. That means the area of ABCD, ABD is equal to area of BCD. Means what? This parallelogram is made up of two triangles, means the area of the parallelogram is equal to area of this triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. That means the area of ABD, one triangle, is equal to half of ABCD here. So this is the third theorem. And next one is two triangles on the same base and equal areas lie between the same parallels are equal in area here. So that is, again there are two parallel lines P and Q here, two triangles on the same base. That is, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. You should not draw like this because on the same base means here we have to draw two triangles. A, B is base and C, D. There are two triangles. Which are the triangles here? One is ABC and ABD, and these are between the same parallels, that is H here. So their theorem states that the two triangles on the same base and same equal areas lie between the same parallel are equal in area. Means area of ABC, triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD. This is the statement. So area of ABC, what is that area of ABC? Base into height, half into base into height equal to half base into height. So half. What is the base here for both triangles? It is same. Here also same, and for this ABC is also triangle AB is same. And height this is height is same for, that is, if we draw here also one perpendicular for this ABC triangle, and for ABD triangle if we draw height, so these all three are same here. This is also H, this is also H, this is also H here, because H is between the two parallel lines here, that is H into H here. So here, even though triangles are different, this is the area of ABC and this is the area of ABC and this is area of ABD. Even though the triangles are different, but the area is same, that is half AB into H and half AB into H here. So this is the fourth one. And last one is two triangles having the same base. The converse of this statement, above statement, two triangles having the same base and equal areas lie between the same parallels. So if there are two lines PQ, P is parallel to Q here, and two triangles are having the same base. Suppose we will draw two triangles, that is A, B, C, and another one is this triangle. This is D. Which are the triangles? One is ABC and triangle ABD. Same base and equal areas means what? This the area of this triangle is equal to area of ABD, then lie between the same parallels. If the area of this triangle ABC is equal to area of ABD, then these two triangles lie in the same parallels. The converse of this fourth theorem here. So the next we will solve the problems from the exercise. So before starting the exercise, you have to go through this all the statements and areas of properties of parallelogram, area of triangle, what is height and what is the area of triangle here. So the next video we will start the exercise. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.